Clark here with Hosp Design. You know, a question I get a whole lot is, how do I create a menu in my website? The reason I get this question a lot is because people get confused. They create pages and they assume that menu will just add that page for them. Sometimes that's a default setting. Sometimes you have to actually tell the site to do that. Honestly, I recommend just taking more control over your site, choosing which items go to which menus, and then assigning menus to different areas of your site. So let's go ahead and jump in, and I'll show you how to quickly create a page and add that to your menu, however you want to do that. I went into Pages here. This page I created is called My Wonderful Product. So now I'm going to go to Appearance. I'm going to go down into Menus. Earlier, I also created a menu called Footer Menu. To create a new menu, it's very simple. You click on Create a New Menu, you title it, and hit Save. It'll be blank until you start adding pages to it. Let's go ahead and add pages to this menu that I've created. Under the Pages section here, select View All. I check these boxes off. These are individual pages that I have in my site. I'm going to Add to Menu. Excellent. So it has added all those pages to the menu. The order in which these items will display on your site is the same order that they're listed here. So home will be first. I want my account to be under shop. So I'm creating a submenu now. And the way I'm doing that is I'm dragging the item down and I'm going to drag it to the right a little bit until it pops over. So when it pops over, that means it's now a submenu to shop. I'm also going to take Checkout and Cart and stick that in between there. There we go. And now those are all submenus under Shop. My Wonderful Product. That's kind of long for a menu item. You really want to keep them down to one word. You want to try to make it as short as possible. Wonderful is not a short word, but that's what we're working with. It will say wonderful instead of My Wonderful Product, but the page title will still be the same. It'll still go to the same place. And then Milwaukee Overnight Parking. That's such a long page name, so we're gonna have to change that too. We'll just call this, we'll call it MKE Park. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and save that. Oh yeah, before I save this menu, I'm going to assign it a location. So we have primary navigation menu and secondary. I'm going to select secondary and see where that places it on my site. And there it is. Secondary menu is up here at the very, very top. And notice under shop, we have the drop-down menu. These are the sub-menu items. Depending on your theme, you will have different menu areas. So let's say I change this from secondary to primary. So notice it moved from up here to down here. And that is menus for your WordPress site. I hope that was a big help to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at Clarke, C-L-A-R-K-E, at hospdesign.com. I'd love to chat with you about your new site or building a new one for you. Have a wonderful day.